Toyota Camry North America 2002 model 2Z 2AZFE. Yeah, let's check and see why the car is fluctuating like this and the check engine light illuminating. Let's see. Diagnose control unit, engine and ECT. This ECU controls the fuel injection, ignition timing, knock control, engine idle speed, self-diagnosis function, and the backup function in extraordinary circumstances, etc. In addition, it controls the AT, which is the automatic transmission. Yeah, okay. We wait for it to load, communicate with the vehicle, trouble code. Yeah, okay. Sorry for the disturbance. And now our fault code is P0340 current, which is camshaft position sensor circuit, ground signal. This shows that the camshaft position sensor is missing ground signal. The ground signal from the brain box to the camshaft is either that the wire will have a circuit breakout or maybe the socket is not plugged, whichever one. The second one is P1135 airflow sensor heater circuit, bank 1 sensor. The O2 sensor, maybe they didn't plug it, or the O2 sensor is bad. You understand? Same issue here, camshaft position sensor circuit, ground signal. So we have the two main problem we have here is the camshaft sensor and the F1 sensor, which is the O2 sensor. So we go to the bonnet and check it out. So fourth code